Okay, so guys, if you're uploading something on Google Drive and it is not uploading right, what you can do is basic steps, guys. First of all, see the internet connection of your PC. If it is all right, you can just test it by going to speed test and see that your internet connection must be stable and must be good, guys. If internet is causing any kind of problem, then it might be the case that your drive is not uploading your files or folders. And in my case, as you guys can see, internet is working pretty fine. It means I can move on to other steps. So if your internet is all fine but still your folder is not uploading or your file is not uploading on Google Drive, it is causing some problems, then what you can do is just check the file if the file is all right or not. For an example, if you're uploading any kind of image or any kind of file, as you guys can see, this is a folder I want to upload or this is an image I want to upload. What I can do is wait a sec. So yeah, what you can do is just zip the folder, right click on it and click on compress to, then click on 7z file and it will zip your folder, and you can just try it by uploading this zipped file on your Google Drive. Same you can do with images, right click on it and compress to zip file, then it is zipped, guys. As you guys can see, it contains the image here. So you can just try uploading this zipped file, the compressed file, it will work fine. But if it is still not working fine, what you can do, the other step is go to your browser, click on new private window and go to Google and log in onto your account using this window. Then see if your Google Drive is uploading right or not. If it is working in the incognito tab, in the private tab, it means you just have to clear the cookies. What you can do is go to history, guys, then go to delete browsing data and you can just delete it all time and select advanced and click on all the checkboxes. It will also sign out you from any of your emails, etc. So it will also remove the autofill data. So yeah, guys, keep in mind that. Then you can just delete the data and then restart the browser. It will work fine. I hope, guys, this video will help you. Try doing all these steps and your Google Drive will work fine.